Hey everyone, today I've got a quick DJI Osmo Nano tutorial for you. I'm going to be showing you how to format the storage on the camera as well as format the memory card in your multifunctional vision dock. This will wipe out all the footage on the camera as well as on your memory card. So do make sure that all your photos and videos are backed up before you do this. You will lose them permanently. So let's dive right into it. Now here on our vision dock, we are going to swipe down from the top. It'll bring up a menu. Now we're going to swipe from right to left, and this will show you your storage on your Nano, which is your camera, as well as on the SD card, which is the SD card here in the side of your vision dock. Now what we need to do, you'll see it says storage here in the corner. You can go ahead and tap on that. And it's going to give you two options. So format internal storage. So that is the footage on your DJI Osmo Nano, and then format SD card, which is the footage on the memory card. Now, again, this will wipe out all the footage, so you'll lose it all. So do make sure it is backed up ahead of time. We'll start out with the camera. You can tap on that. It'll say swipe to format internal storage. So there's a little bar here. You need to swipe that across and it's going to format that. It says format successful. It'll take a little bit longer if you have more footage on there. And then the same thing for the SD card. We can tap on that, swipe to format the SD card. Again, make sure everything's backed up ahead of time. Formatting, format successful. And really it's that simple to format the camera as well as the memory card here on the DJI Osmo Nano.